What's up guys, Mr. Max Productions here, and today I'm gonna review this Emirates Boeing 777-200LR 1/400 scale by Gemini jets, and this is in its Expo 2020 livery, and this the registration is A6-EWI, and it's actually the 9th Boeing 777-200LR of Emirates. And Emirates usually have 10 200LRs in their fleet, and this is the 9th one. So yeah, I got this model in Hobbiestock online, and this cost I actually got this for sale. It was first about 2,100 pesos, or about $40, and then I got it cheap for like 1,700 pesos, or about $25 or something. So yeah, I got a great deal. And yeah, so here's the box. We have Boeing 777-200LR 1/400 scale. There's the Emirates logo. Here we have the Expo 2020 Dubai.com, and here's the Emirates website, and here you can see the window of to see the aircraft model. So yeah, here's the bottom. It's Boeing 777-200LR 1/400 scale. Emirates Expo 2020 Dubai UAE. Same thing on each side. So yeah, there's the Gemini Jets logo. And here's the back of the box. There's the specifications. Over there you can pause to read it. They actually have the new reconfigured business class seats. They actually moved the first class, so now it's just a 2-class aircraft. So yeah, here we have the Expo 2020 sticker. Really nice. And it's the officially Emirates product sticker. So yeah, there, Emirates. So yeah, warning labels and stuff. So yeah, there's the digital photo of the aircraft, and this is the only this part is the only livery of the Expo 2020. So yeah, let's unbox it. It's on its custom box. So yeah, I really like the tray because it's gray. So yeah, it's usually in Emirates models that Gemini jets usually make their boxes gray or trays instead of blue. So yeah, this is actually my first 200LR model, so it's pretty cool. Now let's put things back here. Take a nicer view to see the details of the model. So yeah, alrighty. Okay, let's start with the left side of the model. Let's take a better look here. I'm actually using an iPhone X now to record my videos. So you can comment down below if it has a better quality than my other phone. Again, the iPhone X is not my phone, it's my dad's actually. So yeah, here you can see the print of the nose cone, which is nice. There's the cockpit windows, and here we have the titles of Boeing 777-200LR. There's the Expo 2020 Dubai UAE logo. We have more details here, and here's the landing gear, which it does roll, or front gear, which does roll. So yeah, and on top here is the two last letters of the registration, and there's the L1 door, which is the passenger boarding door. So yeah, there's the Emirates titles in gold, and there's the website of Emirates, which is www.emirates.com. There's more details here, which are like dots. Here it's the Wi-Fi box, and we have an antenna here. There's the L2 door, which is the second main passenger door. Yeah, let's take a look here. I think this Emirates in Arabic, which is cool. And here we have like a logo here on the engine. I don't know what that is, so yeah. Let's take a look here. We have the L3 door over here, more details on the bottom, and we have two more antennas on the back, and there's the L4 door. And actually here, if you can see properly, you can see the Emirates logo here, and it's also located on the front, on the passenger door over here, if you can see it. So yeah, here are more details here, and there's the registration, which is A6-EWI, and the registration of the 200LRs like go from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, or you know, they have 10 of these aircrafts only, and I think they're actually retiring these soon. So yeah, here's the tail, which is the UAE flag, and yeah, there's the horizontal stabilizer. Let's take a look here. As you can see on the back, you can easily see the APU over here. So let's take a look on the right side of the model, which again, it's the same thing as the other side, but except with the cargo doors. We have the cargo doors here, the first cargo door, which has, you know, details here also, and the back cargo door here, and we have the small one. Yeah, we have more details here also, which is nice. So let's take the top view of the model. Just wait. Let's take a look on the top view here. I'm gonna adjust this first, so yeah, you can see it better. I'm actually using a tripod right now so you can see it properly. So yeah, here's a better view. As you can see here, we have the nose gear doors. We have more details here. Here's the nose gear, which rolls. You have details here, and then yeah, the cargo doors and stuff. And here we have the landing lights, which is has a dent actually on the landing lights, which is a really good detail here. We have details on the engines, and here is the Emirates logo on the belly of the plane, which is nice. And there's the stand for the hole for the stand, yeah. And yeah, here's the other engine, bottom of the engine. And here are the landing gears, which does tilt. This landing gear tilts, but the other one doesn't tilt, only this one. So yeah, let's take a look on the back part here. Here we have the Gemini Jets logo, and we have more details here. And then going back there's like, again, there's doors for the APU, and there's the bottom of the horizontal stabilizers. So let's take a top view of the model. Right here. Alright. Wait, let me try it from here so you can see it properly. Oops. Get that. This view, so there you can actually see it. The cockpit here. Okay, so here you can see the cockpit windows, and there's the windshield wipers. Here we have a beacon light, or the anti-collision light, and we have more details here. You can see the titles on the side of the aircraft. Here's the Wi-Fi box, and here's the antennas, and then we have details here. There's the top of the engine, which has these like small wings on each side. We have the two black spots here, and yeah, let's take a look over here at the back. you have more antennas here, and then there's the horizontal stabilizers, the top of it, and then there's the fin of it. Yeah, fin of the tail. Here's the top of the wings, which has the, you know, the flaps and stuff, the spoilers. And yeah, let's take a look at the front view of the plane. Let me lower this a bit so you can see it better. I'm gonna lower this so you can see it. Alright. Like, so you can see it cleaner. I'm gonna do it like this. So yeah. So here you can easily see the front view of the model. There's the cockpit here, and here's the engines, which the fan blades doesn't actually roll. So yeah. I actually want their engines to have the white cone here, which makes it, you know, more detailed, but sadly they actually don't have one in this model. And there's, you can see the wing lights here. Yeah, the wings goes there. And then here at the back, if you can see it properly, the horizontal stabilizers are facing up. So that's, yeah. So what about the 200LR? And you can actually easily spot if it's on 200LR if it's has a pointed wingtip. So yeah, it's like a 777-300ER but shorter. Sadly this doesn't fly to the Philippines. Emirates actually used their 777-300 to land in the Philippines. So yeah, but I am adding this to my airport, and this will actually replace the A380, the Emirates A380 of my airport. So it will fit better because the A380 is quite big for my airport, you know, it's a bit big. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video. Bye.